Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with a new video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check other Instagram account joined it. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device and then make sure they are logged into your Instagram account. After that, if you want to view someone's joined it, you have to search for that account. For that, tap on the search icon from the bottom of your screen and on the search bar at the top, search for that specific account. Go to that account's profile. Once you're on their profile page, at the upper right corner of your screen, you will see three dot icon. Tap on there. A dialog box will pop up with a bunch of options. But before that, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for the more upcoming tutorials. Now again back to our video. Once you see this dialog box in here, look for an option that says about this account and tap on that section. You will land on this interface. On this interface, as you can see, there are two options as date joined and account based in. So here you will be able to see their date joined on this interface. So this is how you can check other Instagram account joined it. I hope this tutorial helped you, and thanks for watching again. I will see you on next video.